Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Financial Service Commission. Myself and the BD members have been using Go Markets for over 7 years now. They go above and beyond to support the BD community and their traders. They offer award-winning customer support, thousands of tradable products, and some of the lowest spreads in the industry. This is perfect if your style of trading is scalping like mine. If you're interested in signing up to Go Markets, please use the link in the description below. Thank you and enjoy today's video. This is going to be a good one. I've been waiting to make this video. So let me just give you an update on what's been going on. So basically, in March 2023, today, this month is August. So in March, I created the London Open strategy. It originally started from a bit of fun. So I broke my back in November, and since I broke my back, my whole life has been turned upside down. I've been working a lot from home. So I've been spending a lot more time with the BD members and on the charts trading. So I do my trading from 7 a.m. till around 9 a.m. London time. And, I get up, I talk with the BD members, we have some coffee, I have a personalised BD mug, we talk about, what's going on in the markets. And while we're waiting for setups to happen, I thought, what, let's create a fun, quirky strategy. So I thought, okay, as soon as London Open appears, let's take the first arrow that appears. And we started doing it. And yeah, the results speak for themselves. I'm sure the BD members are going to comment on the comment section. It has been phenomenal. Just taking an arrow after London Open has been I don't even know what to say, okay? I'm not going to carry on saying how amazing it is. Just the results speak for themselves. But my trading since then, this year itself, has just been on a different new level. I get up at 7:55 now, load up my charts, ready for London Open. I take a signal, and by 8:20, my trading's done, finished, okay? I go back to bed. And what I'm doing during the day is trading the binary destroyer off my phone. So basically, I am not really spending any time on the charts whatsoever. Oh, hang on here. I had a setup right now on GPUSD, as you can see here. So basically, London Open, turn my computer off, and then I spend the day just trading off my phone. Literally, the binary destroyer on my phone. That is it. And I have noticed, obviously, over the last 7 months, I've had a lot of people asking me, can you do a New York Open strategy? Can you do an Asian Open strategy? So I have come up with what I believe now a New York Open strategy. Okay, now I am going to need your help with this. So this is going out to the BD members. Okay, the whole point of the New York Open strategy, the same with the London Open strategy, and the same with the Asian Open strategy, is we are doing no price action. We are just taking a trade when certain parameters have met, okay? So when a certain rule happens, we just take a trade, no price action. Why does this work so well? Because I've had people say that it's taking random arrows, it's gambling. Let me explain to you. There's 2 types of strategies in trading. There's your normal price action, indicator based, whatever it is, moving average, Fibonacci, smart money concept strategy. And then there are your calculated strategies. So let's say, for example, you are trading smart money concepts, right? Your edge is smart money concept. That's what you're trading. That's what you're following. Okay. However, the time that you take trades and the currency pairs that you take the trades on will always be different from day to day. What stays the same is your strategy. Smart money concept, trend lines, support and resistance stays the same. But the time you take your trades and the currency pairs you take them on will always change. Sometimes you'll take trades at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, sometimes on USD JPY, sometimes on gold. It will always change, okay? That's the normal strategy that most people trade and do. However, there is another strategy out there, and they do exist, one like London Open, where you are just doing the exact same thing every single day. So with London Open, we're doing the exact same thing. we're taking the first arrow at the same time on the same currency pair with the same stop loss and take profit. Nothing changes. It is the exact same every single day. It is like saying, right, at 10 o'clock, you're going to buy Euro USD, 50 pip take profit, 10 pip stop loss. So exactly that time, that's exactly what you're going to do. Nothing else changes. That creates an edge, okay? Is that edge profitable? That's where you do the simulating, the back testing, the live testing, okay? Very simple strategy, but it's actually based off calculations. You know, you're doing the exact same thing every single day. So I wanted to bring up one for New York Open, okay? So this is to the BD members now. At the end of this video, there will be another video going out in both the Facebook group, the Telegram group, and the members area explaining this strategy in detail, how to set it up, because I will need your help on it, okay? Obviously, I don't really trade the New York Open, I trade the London Open. So I want your personal opinions on it. I've realized, well, I don't realize, I know that rather than having myself focusing and improving a strategy, it's easier to have 1,000 people doing it, because when you've got 1,000 people with the focus on improving one thing, you get better results, everything is speeded up, it's faster, and the whole process is just going to be better for you lot. So at the end of this, a new video is going to be going out exclusively to you, the BD members, and I'm going to explain it in detail, and I want you to take what I'm going to show you and improve on it. Work out where to put your stop loss, where to set your take profit, what currency pairs it could work on. Could it work on gold, US 30, Euro USD? So that will go out after this video. But in this video, I'm going to show you a simulated version of it now from July until August. So 2 months, I will show you the results on it. New York Open. Let's go. Firstly, I want to apologise for the poor sound quality. I've had to use a different microphone because mine has run out of batteries. So basically, New York, what does it mean? Okay, so when we're trading London Open, we trade GP pairs. State the obvious, you know, Great British Pound, London Open makes sense. So when we're trading New York Open, we want to be trading USD pairs or pairs, stocks, indices, metals that is backed by USD, which obviously, you know, again, New York Open, state the obvious, okay? This works on US 30, it works on gold, it will probably work on USD pairs as well, but this is why I'm asking the BD members to help me with this. So I'm going to be simulating this on gold, okay, because gold is backed by USD pairs, which is backed by the dollar, which obviously New York Open. So what you'll normally get with New York Open is you'll normally get a liquidity sweep and a change of character. It doesn't always necessarily happen, but what you'll normally get is something like this here, price ranges, and then it will take out the previous high or low of the session. So, you know, London Open, it's going to take out the stop losses, and then it will get a change of character and it will trend. So 9 times out of 10, New York Open will happen, you'll get a sudden movement, and then you'll get a trend confirmation. What I've done is I have tweaked the Mogwai arrows to only give us arrows with the trend. So to give you an example here, this is basically, I wouldn't say a new version of the Binary Destroyer, but I've basically just got rid of the bands. I've hid the bands, kept the TCA line, and I've tweaked the Mogwai arrows to only give us trades with the trend. So the idea is with this strategy, when New York Open happens and you get a change of trend, this will give us a signal and we take a trade with the trend. As you can see here, sell, 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 sells. Pretty much every single one of them would win, okay? And that is basically it. You've got a few buys here with the trend. Try and find you a couple more. Here we go. Here's some nice little sells with the trend. Nice little buys with the trend just here. So when you line this up with New York Open, because as you know, when New York Open happens, you're going to get a lot of movement, and you'll probably 9 times out of 10, you'll get a new change of trend happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up this simulator here, and what we're going to do is we're going to basically simulate the first arrow that appears after New York Open. So we're going to take a trade, the first arrow that appears after New York Open, okay? Because it's going to confirm the new trend for us. Now, I haven't quite worked out what the stop loss and take profit's going to be, but we'll do this together, okay? And you will see just how good this can be. So because my MT4 is 2 hours ahead, I'm looking for 1500 hours. That is my New York Open on this MT4. So here we go here, okay? There we go there. Okay, so New York Open has just happened. There you go there. It's just happened. You've got a liquidity sweep and it will probably go into an uptrend. How did I guess that? It always happens. Okay, as you can see here, if I go back to here, okay, if I go back to just here, okay, obviously everybody's got their stop losses just below here. What happens? Boom. Stop losses get took out, okay? And everyone thinks, oh, it's going to be a sell. Nope. You get a change of character and it goes into an uptrend. Okay. And what do we have right at the top here? Oh, look, we have our first Mogwai arrow with the trend for New York Open. So I haven't quite worked out my stop loss and take profit on this yet. This is why I need the BD members' help. But just to give you an example here, let's just go with 200 pip stop loss, 200 pip take profit. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, so 1 to 1. Okay, there we go there. Stop loss and take profit. There you go there. That trade won. But you see, when you look at these trades here, look how much, for example, here, I'm missing out on. I'm literally, instead of 200 pips, I could have gone for 1,000 pips. See the difference? I could go for 1 to 6 with this, 1 to 10 with this. Let's just keep an eye on that, right? That went to, let's just say 600 pips, okay? In fact, we'll do this slightly different. Actually, no, we'll leave it, okay? I was going to say we'll go for 1 to 5, 1 to 6, okay? But we'll just monitor it, okay? So next day, we'll go to the next day now. So again, I'm waiting for 1,500. So here we go here. I wonder if this works with London Open as well, and Asian Open. Okay, here we go here. So basically, New York Open has just happened. Same again. How did I guess that? You get, hold on here, if I just go back to here. So New York Open has just happened just here. You ready? You've got all these stop losses above here. Watch everything get took out. Thank you very much. Stop losses get took out. And then guess what happens? It goes the opposite direction. So there is our first Mogwai arrow with the trend on New York Open. So same again, we'll go for 200 pip stop loss, 200 pip take profit. Do we win the trade? No. Okay, that trade lost. Let me just see if that trade went 100 pips. Let me just see. No. Okay, it went 55 pips. Okay, so we're going to carry on again. Okay, so we're going to carry on again. Here we go here. We're going to the next day now. So this is the third day. The third day. So here we go here. Here we go here. There we go there. This one was a... that one is a loss. There you go there. So there you go there. That's a loss. But the same again. Look. This is where we need to work on the stop losses. Because look, again, that's another 600 pip move. That's another 600 pip move to the upside. The last one, what was that? 1,000 pip move. The last one before that, we got stopped out. This one, another 600 pip move. This is why I say you need more people to help simulate this. Because, you know, I could sit here for hours working on different stop losses and take profits on that one. Okay. Okay, so we're going to carry on again. Here we go here. Right, okay, so now we've got a change of character. Here we go here. This is the first arrow after New York Open. There we go there. We'll go for 200 pip stop loss, 200 pip take profit. Done. But you see, look at the difference again. Look at the difference. That is another 1,600 pip move. to give you an example here, right? And to show you that I'm not actually lying, right? Because, you know, it is kind of like, yeah, you're telling me you take arrows and it will go for like a 1 to 6. Watch this, right? Let's just go with, on this typical occasion, 100 pip stop loss, right? And let's go for 600 pip take profit. Boom. There you go there. Sell with the trend, 600 pips. Boom. There you go there. I've just made 5%. And let's just carry on here. Let's just go for that figure. 100 pip stop loss, 600 pip take profit. Let's see how we get on. Okay, we're going to carry on again. If I'd done this at the start, we would have actually made a lot more money. We'd be up like 10% now. Okay. Okay, so I'm looking for 1500 here. Okay, here we go here. So this is, that's not it. No, this, here we go here. So this is just here. This is the first arrow after New York Open. So same again here. 100 pip stop loss, 600 pip take profit. Do we win? Oh, look at that. How close is that? How close is that? Look at that. Literally kissed my take profit. Literally kissed it. But we'll take that as a loss, okay? But same again. Look, you see? You see? Look at that. Uptrend. Uptrend. See that? It's confirming the trend. It's just getting that stop loss in the right place. So same again. We're going to carry on here. Okay, here we go here. So here we go here. Here we go here. New York Open has just happened here. Here's the first Mogwai signal. Let's take this trade. 100 pip stop loss, 600 pip take profit. Look where 600 pip is down here. Let me see if this trade wins. Come on. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. I've now made another 6%. I'm now up 10% on this account. 10%. And bear in mind, the first trade went to 1,000 pips. So we would already banked another 6% on that one. The second trade lost. And then the next trade after that went to like, what was it? 500-600 pips again. We would be up 10% already. 10%. So again, we're going to carry on here. What I'll do is I'm just mindful of the time. Okay, I don't want this to go on for like 2 hours. So I'm going to take 2 more trades. We'll take 2 more trades, okay? And we'll call that a day. So same again, I'm looking for, here we go here. So look, New York Open has just happened. We'll find the first arrow that appears. Okay, I haven't got any arrows at the minute. Absolutely zero. So there was no arrow that appeared on New York Open on this particular day. Okay, because obviously New York Open happened here and you got a change of character which was down and then nothing's happened. It's literally been 2 hours since New York Open and we've got no signal. So this Mogwai signal here, I'm not going to take because you're not going to be sitting on the charts for 3 hours waiting for an arrow. Okay, so for that one, I'm not going to take that trade because that would not class as New York Open because the trend already happened here. Okay, not 3 hours later, if that makes sense. So we're going to skip that one. Okay, so we'll do, I'll get you 2 more set up. So same again here. Oh, here we go here. There we go there. New York Open has officially just happened here. As you can tell, big spike. Let's go with 100 pip stop loss, 600 pip take profit. That's annoying. Literally got stopped out on that one. And look at that. Look how much it goes up. That's annoying. But, you know, it is what it is. We're still up 9%. Still up 9%. Let's carry on here. The last one. Let's take the last one. Here we go here. Okay. It looks like we're going into a downtrend. No, we're going into an uptrend. Okay. Here we go here. We'll count this one. We'll count this one. I was going to say we had a trend change, but to be honest, do I want to take? Let's just take this one. Who cares, right? Let's go again. 100 pip stop loss, 600 pip take profit. Do we win the trade? No, we get stopped out. But again, look at that one. Look at that one. That trade from that arrow went 500 pips. 500 pips. 500 pips. Okay, see what I'm saying? I'll do one more. Let's stop until we get a winner. Let's stop until we get a winner. Okay, here we go here. Is that going to be a setup here? No, I'm not taking that one. Here we go here. Okay, stop. Here we go here. We've got our trend down. Please give me a Mogwai signal. Yes, that is a Mogwai signal just there. 100 pip stop loss. I'm probably going to get stopped out on this one. That stop loss is way too tight. Way too tight. Yeah, you see. But same again. Price on that particular setup here, you would have got 400 pips. 400 pips. So maybe going for 600 pips is a bit extreme. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to carry it on there. Just going to carry it on. Okay, so I'm going to find the next setup here. Here we go here. Here we go here. So basically, here we go here. New York Open, 100 pip. I mean, look at that. 100 pip stop loss is way too tight on this one. Way too tight. But let's take it. See, I'm going to get stopped out on that one. I'm going to change this particular setup. Let's go with, at least give us some breathing space. Let's go with a 300 pip stop loss, 1,000 pip take profit. There you go there. That's a bit of more breathing space. Okay, I mean, these stop losses are way too tight. Do I win this trade? Come on, hit my take profit. Come on, push up, push up, push up. Come on. It's literally kissing my take profit. It kissed my take profit. That literally kissed it. And then it's going to reverse. And then it's going to reverse. That's annoying. That's literally annoying. Oh, hold on. I might win it. I might win it. See, yeah, look, you see? That literally kissed my take profit. Let's go back to there. Let's go back here. Let me just bring up another chart. I'm going to bring up the 30 minutes. Give me a sec here. Get rid of that there. I'm going to go to the 30 minutes. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close this trade off. I'm going to close this trade off here. Okay, because it literally clears. Look, to give you an example here, right? If I just go to some naked charts, look, it literally was probably less than a pip. Literally less than a pip. So let's close it off there. Let's close it off there. So I'm going to leave it there to show you what I mean, right? Is you see how I'm going for like a 1 to 5, 1 to 6. And look at the charts. Look at the where is it? Trades, statistics. Look at the graph. Look at that one. Look at this here. Hold on. How do I make this bigger? Here we go. Look at that there. Look at that there. Beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there. Like I said, it still needs improving, but as you can see, it's definitely a very, very good edge. Just taking arrows, New York Open, I reckon easily, if we tweak this, you know, if we work out on average what the stop loss needs to be and take profit. So, you know, what I'm saying is simulate this over a 6-month period and work out where the best stop loss needs to be and take profit. Because to give you an example here, right, we have worked out on London Open that going for a 5 pip take profit, 10 pip stop loss is the best. It's the best. Okay, 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit is where you start to get a couple of losses. 10 pip stop loss, 15 pip take profit, or 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit is where you start to get losses as well, but you make more money because your risk reward is better. So this is where it's about finding and tweaking, you know, to work out on average where the stop loss needs to be and take profit. So I hope you enjoyed that video. For the BD members, a video is going to drop straight away after this. Thank you for watching.